Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. So today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to mix the CT Plus Lightening Cream. So if you're interested in this video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can be the first person to be notified when I upload a new video. So here's the CT Plus. You can get either, the orange or the gold top. You're going to scoop out half of the lightening cream, one jar. For the other half, you're going to put it away till you need it. Okay, you're going to get 2 milk protein, 1 Oloderm, and Neprozone is optional. So if you do not have milk protein in your country, you can use the tampering lightening cream or the neoprozone or neprozone. So you're going to mix this with the CT serum. It is a must that you mix the CT plus jar cream with the serum, and if you don't have it, it's not a problem, but I think you should add a oil. If you don't have it, you add the BioClear oil. So this is how the serum looks. You can also add sunscreen to your cream so that when you go out on the road you don't look dark or whatsoever. Your skin complexion just looks smooth, cool and nice. Also remember to use warm water to wash your face, and for this current cream, remember just to leave it for 24 hours so it can soak in the jar. So you can apply this in the morning, or it's more better in the night, so you can apply it at night. Thank you for watching, guys.